Hello everyone. In this video, me and my friend would like to tell you guys our project result from project 1 until our 3D layout. But first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Imadepa Cabuyukan Soragacha.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus Faiz.
I am Migusta Igualochanani.
My name is Patricia Sempang.
My name is Alvaro Levazen.
Our first project is Operation Process Chart. Operation Process Chart or OPC is a map that contains the operation flow of a product from start to finish, including the process of combining to finished product. The Operation Process Chart aims to provide a complete and concise picture of the product operation flow, of course, with an expression of time machine tools and additional material. Based from the chart, we can see there are six components from right to left. Those are the rectangle, then the peon, the left and right lid. Next is the up and down lid, then the box and the card. Operation 1 starts from component A, which is on the right side of the map. Basically, if you are starting to process an operation from its component, you have to draw an arrow from the component. On the right side of the circle is the process that's happening in its operation. But on the left side of the circle is the time per unit of this process. The arrow from the left side are the added materials such as explosive, sticker, paint, and so on. Combining process marked with combined arrow from each component. In the end, there are 34 operations to build up Playbook 3-in-1.
From project 2, we decide the kits of machine, total machine that we ask a number of operations of each machine. We decide the number of that from the fixed equivalent from forecast calculation of demand unit per year. The large equivalent number is 83. The machine that we ask is two jointer machine with two operator, five rush machine with five operator, six circle machine with 12 operator, two planar machine with two operator, five WSP machine with five operator, seven assembly table with 37 operator, and five jigsaw machine with five operator, and the total of the operator is 68. Next. For the project tree, we calculate its type of machine area. So here is the data, and if we sum all of the machine area, the production floor has total of 1688 square meter area. Next.
So, from to charge project 4. The purpose is to know the operation or production flow based on the weight of each operations in each component's assembly and finishing to get this recap table so that we can get the iteration table next. Based on this recap table, we will get the iteration, and based on the iteration that we did, there are 4 iterations and the minimum weight iteration is iteration number 4. So based from the minimum iteration, the order is from storage, next Circo machine, RAS machine, jigsaw machine, WSB machine, assembly table, jointer machine, and the last one is planer machine. Next. So project 5 Lingo. The purpose of Lingo is to get the maximum space of working space and also to put down each machines. From the Lingo software, the maximum area is 36 by 37 meter, and these are the way to put down each machines. Circle machines are on the blue map, jigsaw machines are on the purple map, WSB machines are on the light green map, assembly tables are on the red map, jointer machines are on the white map, and the last one is planer machine are on the dark green map.
Okay. Activity relationship chart is an activity between each part that describes the importance of the proximity of the room. The main purpose of ARC is to know the closeness of each activity group. There are 6 closeness rating in ARC, which, as we can see at the table. For example, to show the closeness between the production floor and the raw materials warehouse, in ARC we can see the rating is A for absolutely necessary, so that it is not far away and makes a delay to bring the raw materials to be produced at production floor. For personal requirement, as we can see, there are 5 facilities provided by the company. First is parking lot. The calculation of the area for each parking lot is seen from the percentage of employees who bring the vehicle. The company provides 96 lockers of 0.5 by 0.5 meters in a 3 by 6 meters locker room, and the other facilities that can be seen in the table. Then there are facility system. Cyclone is an air circulation system available with a suction capacity of 30 meter cubic to determine the number of cyclones. It is necessary to know the volume of the room. Then the volume is divided by the suction capacity times time. After the calculating, it is found that the required number of cyclones is 46 cyclones. Luminary or lamps for lighting for smooth activity. The first step in determining the number of the lamp is calculating the area of the room. Then determine the illumination level for each room depending on the type of activity and the condition of the room. To get the numbers of lights per room, we need to multiply the number of rooms, and after that, the calculation is done and the total number of lamps required is 102,093 lamps. And the last is sprinklers. It's an automatic fire extinguisher, and for safety reason, this tool is needed for companies. The calculation of number of sprinklers begin with calculating the area of the room. Then the sprinklers has a system with a radius of 5 meters, so that the area of protection is equal to X radius. After calculating, the total number of sprinklers needed is 85 sprinklers.
And here is the conclusion about our choice, about the location and how much our HPP. From the location, we choose the Banjarnegara because Banjarnegara has the largest LM value, and Banjarnegara has fulfilled the requirement for a good company. From the chart, is CFM has a value 1. Then the OFM, Banjarnegara has the highest NPV value. Then for the SFM, Banjarnegara has good criteria for the worker. That's the reason how we chose the Banjarnegara as our best location for factory construction. Then after that, we calculate the direct raw material, additional raw material, direct labor, overhead, material handling, and indirect labor, depreciation, considered from the Banjarnegara UMK, and we get the total HPP per unit is 525,000 rupiah.
Now we can see a 3D layout, all building from PT Daidel Medicare. There are 2 gates, front and back gate. And in the office there are 8 rooms for president director, vice president director, production division, SRT division, purchasing division, finance division, meeting room, and reception room. And there are 1 toilet, 1 health services, 1 canteen, and 3 parking lot for each vehicle, motorcycle, large car, and standard car. And there are raw material warehouse and finished good warehouse, and then waste disposal room with liquid waste and solid waste, and there are generator room, and then locker room, And then on production floor, there are circle machine area that contain 6 machines, RAS machine area that contain 5 machines, jigsaw machine area that contain 5 machines, WSP machines area that contain 5 machines, assembly table area that contain 7 table, jointer machine area that contain 2 machines, planer machine area that contain 2 machines. That's all our presentation. Thank you for the attention.